Welcome. This is week 17's homework solution. This is for Math 8. Here we have Tuesday, December 3rd. You're answering these three questions and using this scatter plot representing the relationship between the root depth of watermelon plant and the watermelon's weight. The first scatter plot shows the first 21 melons here that are measured. Then here, the second data shows 20 plus 20 more. And the other one shows more, which is 40 plus 20. So here, this is when they gather about 20 sets of data. Here, this is when they gather 40 sets of data. And the third one is when they gather 60 sets of data. Okay, notice as we increase the amount of data that we collect, the better we get to measuring and predicting the values. Okay, in stats, it's called the law of large numbers. Okay. All right. So number one, match each description with the correct graph. Okay. Here, if there's some words that you don't understand, you either have to Google it or go to Math is Fun or look through your book for the definition. Okay. All right. The word here is the data seems to have no association, right? In 8th grade, we call that no relationship. Okay, so no association means no relationship. Which one here has no relationship? So here, this looks like it's going in what direction here? This one looks like it's going down. Here looks like it's going up. Here it doesn't look anywhere. It's all scattered. So we would say the no relationship would be going to be graph 2. So graph 2 would be your no relationship. Okay. Next one, the data here shows a moderate negative association. Okay. In our class, we would call that the negative relationship. So which one here has a negative relationship? Well, watermelon data 3 goes up. Watermelon data 1 seems like that's the only one going down. So we would say graph 1 would be it. So by default, the only one left is graph 3, which one has a strong positive association. That just means which one has a positive linear relationship. In this case, it's linear, okay? So I can make that red for you if that helps. Positive relationship, and that one is going to be graph 3. There you go. Good? Okay. Here, let's just move up the data. Determine whether each statement is true. Okay, if we compare 2 and 3, comparing graph 2 and graph 3 shows a stronger association. It goes from no association to a positive association, so we would say it is true. Okay, because going from 2, which has no association, to positive association, okay, it shows a stronger association. That's right. Graph 1 seems to have an extreme value at 27.5 and 25. They are referring to this data point, and they say something called the extreme value. Another word for extreme value would be this word called an outlier. I think that's how you spell it. And so we would say, yes, that would be considered an outlier. Okay. Comparing graph 3 and 2, it has more data. Does 3 and 2 have more data? Yeah, this has a bunch of more dots. So we would say that's also true. Okay. And graph 3 appears to show the data that is nonlinear. Is it curving? No, it seems like it is going straight. So we would say it is false. Okay, because yes, it has a positive linear relationship because we can see it forms a line. So that's why this one is wrong. Okay, all right, next, let's just grab the bottom here. It says, what conclusion can be made regard to the depth root of a watermelon plant and the weight? So what do you see here? So this is data 1, data 2, and data 3. Okay, as we collect more, the pattern should continue. It seems like this is the right measurement, and we would say that it has a positive linear relationship. So we would say it has a positive linear relationship, or you could use the word correlation. Okay, all right, which means that, whoop, oops, sorry. So we would say it has a positive linear association slash relationship. Then you could also say that as the root depth, which is in inches, increase, okay, do you see how it increase? 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, okay, the average weight also increases. Okay, there you go. Okay, so there are only 3 questions for this one. Okay, good. If you have any questions, please let me know, but those are all your solutions.